Hey guys, I am in a training today, so I just wanted to make a video explaining what I need you to do for me today. First, I need you to go to the hub and obviously do your attendance form if you have not already. You also need to finish slides 1 through 4 if you have not already. These are the first 4 of your project, and once you complete them, you will receive a free 100 for completing them. Today, mainly what I need you to do is slides 5 through 9, and they will be due on Sunday. So on Sunday by 11:59, I need you to do slides 5 through 9, and I am going to break those down for you right now. So I am in the final project breakdown page. This is linked for you on the hub. You'll see that your due date, B-Day, is May 27th. You had to choose from one of these 4 stores. My expectations, then I broke down slides 1 through 4. And now I'm going to tell you what you need to do today with slides 5 through 9. On slides 5 and 6, those are amenity slides. So remember that amenities are something luxurious that is offered to you. For example, if you were like an amenity in a new car would be like leather seats. An amenity at an apartment complex would be a pool or a gym. So you need, sorry, I'm getting all these notifications. You need to choose some amenities that your grocery store has. So at Whole Foods, amenities that they have are a food bar, a salad bar. They also, I've seen a wine bar at Whole Foods. They have coffee shops inside. They sell healthy organic food. All of those are amenities. HEB has every single amenity that is listed right here. Those are all at HEB. Kroger has a super good wine and cheese selection. They also have the Kroger shopping cart, which is absolutely amazing, and they have really good sales. I also have never been to a Kroger that doesn't have a Starbucks, so you could say that that is also an amenity. Last one, Aldi, that some of you chose. They have, I feel like all of their amenities they're worker based. Like if I worked at a grocery store, I would want to work at Aldi. They don't make their employees stock shelves. They can sit down and take breaks. They don't have to like lug in carts from the parking lot. So all of those are amenities, employee benefits, right? They also have super good sales. It's always clean, and they have lower prices on everything. However, my favorite amenity at Aldi is like the seasonal section where you can buy pretty much anything for that season or just random houseware stuff that's really affordable and good quality. Slides 7 through 9 are all about your favorite meal. Okay, so remember that your favorite meal is not chocolate chip cookies or nacho cheese covered Doritos. It is something that you would sit down with your family and eat on a special occasion. So on slide 7, in 3 to 5 sentences, you're going to tell me why that's your favorite meal. Slide 8, you're going to give me an ingredient list to make that meal. And then slide 9, a price list for each of those ingredients at the store that you chose, right? So if you chose HEB, you'll go to heb.com and look up the price for each one of those ingredients. So I'm going to just show y'all what these look like. So on the amenity slides 5 and 6, it needs to be 5 sentences between the 2 slides. So there's 2 sentences here, 3 sentences here. It's good, right? Slide 7 is your favorite meal. There are sentence stems if you would like to use them. But remember, in your sentence stems, you have to finish that sentence. I will know if you copy because it won't be a complete sentence. Slide 8 is your ingredient list. And slide 9 is the prices, right? This example is also linked on the hub, and it is also linked right here. So guys, that is what slides 5 through 9 are about. these are the grades that I'm going to be taking for progress reports. All of your missing assignments must be turned in by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. If you go to the hub and click on this assignment and then click view, it will show you where to go to complete this assignment. I do want to point out that the writing assignment I assigned yesterday in class is labeled as a test grade, and slides 1 through 4 completion are going on progress report grades, and I am taking a grade on them. I am also going to be taking a grade on slides 5 through 9 completion. They are just not going to go on progress reports. They'll go on after progress reports. Okay? So if you have any questions about your projects, your grades, or anything else, please message me on Teams. I will be by my computer all day at a training, so I will be able to respond to you and answer any questions that you may have. Have a great weekend, guys. I will see you on Tuesday. Please make sure you turn in your missing assignments and complete slides 5 through 9. I will be grading them on Monday. Have a great day.